Welcome. Today we will learn that how you can create a Google API. First, you need to log in into your Google account. After logging into your Google account, you have to go onto Google and you have to search for Google Console Developer. After searching this, you will get the Google Developers Console of link. You have to click on the link and you will be redirected to API console page. Here we will learn that we, we will start with a new project. Okay, let's go. As you can see that I have already created a two project, but we will start from a new project. You have to click on new project to create a new one. As you can see that the Google already provide you a project name, but we will write here our project name. For the testing, we will write a demo. You need to create this demo project. As you can see that your project is under process. Okay, you can see that the project is successfully created. Now you have to click on view to view that project. Here you will get all the information of your project. Now next what you have to do is you have to go into the navigation menu, select APIs and services and then dashboard. From the dashboard you can see that you have to enable APIs and services. When you will click on that button, you will be redirected to a API library page. Here you will get all the APIs listed, and also you can search it from search bar. For now we will create one for Google Drive. Let's go. We will search for Google Drive. As you can see that the Google Drive API is listed here. What you have to do is you have to click on that and you have to enable that API. This will take some time. Okay, so the Google Drive is successfully enabled. Now next, what you have to do is you have to create a credentials. But before that, before creating a credential, you need to create auth consent screen for that. When you will be click on auth consent screen, you can see that you have to configure and register your application here. For the G Suite user, you can use the internal one, but for the external use, you have to use the external. You have to create an external for that. Now, you have to write a auth name for this application. I will write the same name as demo and I will save this. You can see that the consent screen is saved now and your name is listed here. Now again you have to go on the credentials page to create a credentials. Now you have to create a credential for auth client ID to get the client ID and the client secret ID. After clicking on that, you will have to select the application type that for what you are creating for. Right now we will select a web application. Now you again have to write the name of that project or the Auth client name. Here you have to add authorized redirected URLs, and here you have to add the JavaScript. And after adding these both, you have to click on create to create one. As you can see that Auth client is created, and hence it has given you the client ID and your client secret ID. If you want to edit some things, you have to click on edit, and you can see that your credentials can be edited from here, and also you can copy the client ID and client secret from here. Thank you.